I'm sure this won't show up on this video, but there are birds on that top highline wire as far as you can see. All the way over to that pole, up that wire that goes out, and then on the two diagonal brace wires, there's birds on that also. Crazy.